Welcome students and viewers to our Max KCC channel. Today we have to discuss about some problems in area in Unit 8, application of integration in CBSE NCERT syllabus. So first question, the area between x is equal to y square and x is equal to 4 is divided into two equal parts by the line x is equal to a. Find the value of a. So x is equal to y square, parabola opens rightwards. So y square is equal to x. Origin is the vertex. So here area between x is equal to y square and x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. The line x is equal to 4. Divided into two equal parts by the line x is equal to a. So this parabola is divided into two equal parts by the line x is equal to a. So the line x is equal to a lies inside the curve. Now we have to find the area between x equal to y square and x is equal to 4. So now the line x is equal to a is divided into two equal parts. Therefore, name it as OAB. Right. So area of the region OAB is equal to area of the region bounded by the given curve ABCD. So area of the region OAB is integration a to b y dx is equal to integration a to b y dx. First we can write the formula. So integration limit values from 0 to a. So 0 to a y dx is equal to integration a to 4. This area ranging from a to 4 y dx. So since x square is equal to y, so since x square is equal to y is symmetric about y axis, put x is equal to minus x, there is no change, therefore it is symmetric about y axis. So since it is symmetric about y axis, the required area is equal to 2 into area in the first quadrant. Therefore, 2 into integration 0 to a y dx is equal to 2 into integration 0 to 4 y dx. 2 into integration 0 to a y dx is equal to 2 into integration a to 4 y dx. So 2 into integration 0 to a. So y, x is equal to y square. Therefore, y is equal to plus or minus root x. So, minus root x is invalid. Therefore, y is equal to root x. So, 2 into integration 0 to a root x dx is equal to 2 into integration a to 4 y root x dx. 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, integration 0 to a x power 1 by 2 into dx is equal to integration a to 4 x power 1 by 2 into dx. So integration of x power 1 by 2 is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 over 0 to a is equal to x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 over a to 4. So 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 over 0 to a is equal to 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 over a to 4. 2 by 3 gets cancelled. Therefore, x power 3 by 2 into 0 to a is equal to x power 3 by 2 into a to 4. Apply the limits. A power 3 by 2 minus 0 is equal to 4 power 3 by 2 minus a power 3 by 2. So a power 3 by 2 plus a power 3 by 2 is equal to 4 power 3 by 2. So 2a power 3 by 2 is equal to 4 power 3 by 2. So 2a power 3 by 2 is equal to root of 4 cube. Root of 4 cube is 8. So root 4 is 4. Root 4 square is 4. Root 4 is 2. So 8. So 2 into a power 3 by 2. 4. So a power 3 by 2 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 power 2 by 3 square units is the required area. Next question, question number 7. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. So please subscribe our channel to get the videos regularly. So given circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Origin is the center. A, radius is A. So therefore it is cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. A by root 2 is less than a. Therefore cut off by the line a by root 2. So now this is the required portion. This is the region. We have to find the area. Therefore, so area of the region bounded by the curve x square plus y square equal to a square, cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2 and x axis a is equal to, first we can write the formula 2 into shaded portion. Since circle is symmetric about both axes, so 2 into integration, limit starts from a by root 2 to a y dx. So 2 into integration a by root 2 to a y x square plus y square equal to a square, y square is equal to a square minus x square, y is equal to plus or minus root of a square minus x square. Here y is equal to root of a square minus x square is valid. Therefore root of a square minus x square into dx. So in many problems we use this formula, so we are familiar with this formula. So listen here. So 2 into formula, we can write the formula x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a over a by root 2 to a. So which is equal to 2 into, apply the limits. So instead of x we can apply a first. A by 2 into root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of a by a minus lower limit a by 2 root 2 into root of a square minus a by root 2 the whole square, a square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse of a by root 2 a. So a by root 2 into a square minus a square get cancelled, sine inverse of a by a 1. Okay, we can come to the next step. So 2 into a square by 2 into sine inverse of 1 minus a by 2 root 2 into root of a square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 into sine inverse of 1 by 2. So which is equal to, we get 2 into a square by 2 into sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2 minus a by 2 root 2 into root of 2a square minus a square, so a square by 2, root of a square by 2 minus a square by 2 into sine inverse of 1 by root 2 pi by 4. So next step, 2 into pi a square by 4 minus root of a square is a, so a into a square, root 2 into root 2 2 into 2 4, so a square by 4 minus pi a square divided by 8. Pi a square divided by 8. So we get square by 4 minus pi a square by 8 minus a square by 4. So now we get 8 is the LCM here. So 2 pi a square minus pi a square minus a square by 4. So which is equal to 2 into 2 pi a square minus pi a square pi a square by 8 minus a square by 4. So now we can multiply by 2, we get pi a square by 4 minus a square by 4. So a square can be taken outside, so a square 2 also can be taken by 2. So a square by 2 into pi by 2 minus 1 square units is the required area. A square by 2 into pi by 2 minus 1 square units is the required area. Next is some example 4. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis, the line y is equal to x and the circle x square plus y square equal to 32. So x square plus y square is equal to 32. Origin is the center of the given circle and radius a square is equal to 32. Therefore a is equal to root of 32. So a is equal to 4 root 2 is the radius. So now we can draw the circle. Please subscribe our channel. We are planning to insert more videos, so do subscribe our channel. So listen here, x square plus y square is equal to 32 and y is equal to x is the line which passes through the origin. So y is equal to x is the line, given line. X square plus y square is equal to 32. Now is the circle, radius is 4 root 2, so 4 root 2 comma 0 is the point. Now we have to find the point of intersection or intersecting point of the line y is equal to x and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 32. So listen, x square plus y square is equal to 32. Put y is equal to x, we get x square plus x square is equal to 32. 32, x square plus x square is equal to 32. 2x square is equal to 32. So x square is equal to 16. X is equal to plus or minus 4. So point of intersection. So x is 4, y is 4 because y is equal to x. So 4 comma 4 and minus 4 comma minus 4. The circle intersect the line intersect the circle in the first quadrant and third quadrant. So here 4 comma 4 and minus 4 comma 4 minus 4 lies in third quadrant. So now listen here. So this is the intersection. So now value of here x is equal to 4. So now these two parts we have to find the area. Now required area is equal to integration 0 to 4 y dx. Here we have line, so we can write in the bracket, no problem. So 4 to 4 root 2, here we have circle. So circle, so in 0 to 4 we have line. So listen here, 0 to 4, in 0 to 4 we have to find the area of the line, and 4 to 4 root 2 we have to find the area of the circle. So given that the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, the line y is equal to x and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 32. So we have to find the area. So listen here. So 0 to 4 y dx line, 4 to 4 root 2 y dx circle. So listen, 0 to 4 y dx, y is x, x is equal to y. So instead of y we can write x dx plus 4 to 4 root 2 circle. Given circle is x square plus y square is equal to 32. So y square is equal to 32 minus x square. Y is equal to plus or minus root of 32 minus x square. Minus root of 32 minus x square is invalid. So y is equal to root of 32 minus x square. Now we can substitute here. So root of 32 minus x square into dx. So it is taken as a1 and this area is taken as a2. So a equal to a1 plus a2. We can find continuously or we can find separately. Right. So 0 to 4. A is equal to 0 to 4 x dx. So integration x is x square by 2. We know that over 0 to 4. Which is equal to 4 square by 2. So 16 by 2 which is equal to 8. So A1 is equal to 8 units. Now we can find area of A2. So A2 is equal to integration 4 to 4 root 2 root of 32 minus x square into dx. So it is familiar formula. We are using this formula mostly in all the sums. So equal to x by root of a square minus x square dx. Integration root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. So therefore here a square is 32. So a is equal to 4 root 2. Already we have written. So listen. So x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2, 32 by 2 sine inverse of x by 4 root 2 over 4 to 4 root 2. So apply the limits. So we get 4 root 2. First instead of x we can apply 4 root 2. 4 root 2 by 4 into root of 32 minus 4 root 2 the whole square is 32 plus 32 by 2 sine inverse of instead of x 4 root 2 by 4 root 2. Apply the lower limits. We get minus 4 by 2 into root of 32 minus 16 plus 32 by 2 into sine inverse of 4 by 4 root 2. So now listen here, 32 minus 32 0. So this term gets cancelled. So 32 by 2, 16 sine inverse of 1 for 4 root 2 by 4 root 2, 1 minus 4 by 2 into 32 minus 16, root 16 is 4 minus 32 by 2 into sine inverse of 4 get cancelled. So sine inverse of 1 by root 2. So we get 16 into sine inverse of 1 by 2 minus 6 to 2 get cancelled. So minus 8 minus 16 into sine inverse of 1 by root 2 pi by 4. Right. So 16 to 8. So 8 pi minus 8 minus 4 pi. So 8 pi minus 4 pi minus 8. 8 pi minus 4 pi, 4 pi minus 8. So this is A2, area A2. Now we have written already A is equal to A1 plus A2. A is found, A1 is found, A1 is equal to 8. Now A2 is equal to 4 pi minus 8. So 8 gets cancelled. So 4 pi. So area is equal to 4 pi square units. So this is the required area. Thank you for watching, viewers. Please subscribe our channel to get the updates continuously. Thank you once again.